Hey YouTube, so today I'm gonna be making a video about how I'm going to take out my dreads. So I've had my dreads I've had my dreads for almost 4 years. I started my dreads on November 19th, 2014. Well, I didn't start them, my mom started them for me. And since then, my hair has been through a lot. Has been bleached and lightened and colored many different colors. I had like Kool-Aid red. I had like this extremely vibrant blue. I had half and half, black and purple. I've had burgundy. I've had a ton of colors, from the colors that I dyed and then the colors that it's like faded to in between. So I've done a ton of colors. And I didn't necessarily take care of my hair the way it was supposed to be, like taken care of, like putting actual products in it to restore the moisture. I would like start off putting like a whole bunch of oils and things in it, and then after a while just get lazy and stop. So I wanted to just cut it all off and start completely over, but I was talking to my sister and she was just like, oh, I should just try to comb it out and see how much hair I can save first before I just cut it all off. So I'm gonna go with that idea today. I watched a couple of videos of people taking out their dreads. So I'm just gonna show you guys, I guess I should show you guys what my hair looks like first, and then I'll show you guys what I'm using and then the process. So this is my hair and the length it is right now. This is the top. I have some dreads that are already combined as well. So it's the side, the back. So yeah. So that is my hair, just a close-up look. So yeah, that should be enough views for you guys. So these are the things I'm going to be using to take it out. I have a towel, of course. A spray bottle with water in it. Yeah, this is just a Tresemme conditioner. So this is the Tresemme Moisture Rich Luxurious Moisture Conditioner with vitamin E in it. And it says for dry or damaged hair. And since my hair is a little dry, a little damaged, I figured this probably wouldn't be bad. And plus, some of the videos I was watching, they were saying get conditioner with silicone in it, or like ingredients that end in cone. And I see it has dimethicone, so I'm assuming this should be fine to help me like loosen up my hair. Why does it look so dark? But yeah, I assume that this should be fine to help me loosen up my hair. I have one of the little tail combs, a shower cap. Just in case I don't finish it all tonight, I could just put the shower cap on and go to sleep, because I am pregnant. So we'll see how much I could do before I get annoyed or tired. Okay, so this one is like 3 dreads combined. There's like a short one here, actually 4 dreads. Yeah, I did a lot of weird stuff, including combining to my hair. This is the first one I'm gonna attempt to take out. So yeah. So first I started off by sectioning my hair and putting all the extra hair up just to get it out of the way and leaving down the part that I was working with. And then afterwards I had spritzed my hair down the whole dread from root to end with water. After that, I had put conditioner from root to end all over the dread. As I went on, I learned that it was easier and just better to put the conditioner working
from the bottom up. So I would just spritz the end of the dread and put conditioner on the end of the dread. And then as I move up, add more water, add more conditioner. You'll probably see as I continued on, that's what I did. But that's basically just the whole process. Spritz it down with water, put conditioner, comb, comb, comb. As I move up, put more water, put more conditioner.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way we tied it loosens up, I'm sorry. Be cool, go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it.
As you can see, all this is loose hair, and it's so weird to see my hair like loose and curly. So I'm back. I did make some progress. To focus over here. As you can see, I have one whole dread out. This is the one that was like 4 dreads combined. So this is all the hair that I got out of it. It's down to here, stretched. This is what we got so far. I'm just gonna twist this, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. But it's about 2 hours later, and no, this one dread did not take 2 hours. I just took a break to eat because me and the twins were hungry. So we took a break to eat and stuff like that. So that took a bit of a while, but this did take a while. But I did also take a break to eat, take a bathroom break, and things like that. So yeah, I feel like this is gonna take a lot longer because I am pregnant and like my back be hurting, so I'll be stopping for a little bit. And it took me this long to do one dread, but I'm sure I could get the other ones done faster now that I've got like the technique down. So that's my little twist or whatever. So yeah, one down, and I believe I have like 50 something dreads, so like 50 something more to go. But I'm excited knowing that this much hair was left even after all the shedding, so that's cool.
One eternity later.
So yeah, this is the final product of my hair. It looks really, really wild. I just, as I was taking the dreads out, I just twisted them, and then I took out the twist, and this is how it looks.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way we tied it loosens up, I'm sorry. Be cool, go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it. Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way we tied it loose ends up, I'm sorry. Be cool, go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same.
It took me so long to take everything out. I thought it was gonna take like maybe a couple of days. It literally took like a whole week. But I did take a lot of breaks in between because my back would hurt or I'd be hungry or whatever. So I did take a lot of breaks, but this in total took me a whole week because a lot of my ends are like a little scraggly. I did cut some of it, but I feel like I still need to get this like trimmed. But yeah, this is the final result. I'm still trying to contemplate what I should do. I want to get my dreads back, but I don't know if I should get them back like right away. Whoa, hair looks crazy. I don't know if I should get them back like right away or if I should leave my hair out for a bit, let it breathe. But yeah, I'm surprised I have this much hair left. And then the length, just gonna check here. About here, pretty decent. And this is just so weird. Like I haven't had like loose hair in almost 4 years. So yeah, if you have taken out your dreads, definitely let me know your story down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing what happens next with all of this. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. Bye.